Okay, this video is just to show you how to build a histogram in StatCrunch. So when you're in your homework problem, click on your table and then you'll see this little box to the right. You need to click on it and open in StatCrunch. Okay, once you get in StatCrunch, you have all these little menu items. Go to Graph, and you need to click on Histogram. And there's three things that you have to do. First, you need to select var1, so it selects all your numbers, your data points. And then you just scroll down, and you have to tell it where to start. And if you look at your homework, this homework problem, you started at 0, and your widths are just 1 because there's just one number in each class, so your class width is 1. And that's really important. Tell me where your first class starts at and what your width is. Those are the three things. var1, where you start at, and your width. Once you get those three things in, you're going to click Compute, and then you will have your histogram. So we can see here what our histogram looks like. 16, 10, 8, 21, and 15, which is what we got. So if we look down here at our histogram, it goes from 16, 8, 16, 10. So you want to find the one that is 16, and then 10, and then 8, and then goes up to 21. And it looks like it's going to be this one. If you're not sure, you can zoom in to kind of see a little bit of a closer view here. And this one looks too high on that one. So basically you can even make it bigger so you can really see. See here, it's very clear that it's 16, 10, 8, and then if you go across here, it's 21. And then I think your last one was 15, I believe. So if you want to zoom in to see it even closer, you can. You technically don't have to build the histogram in StatCrunch. You can just use your frequencies here and match them to the appropriate histogram. So there's another option if you don't want to waste the time to build a histogram in StatCrunch. But the histogram doesn't take long to build, so you might want to practice just using StatCrunch because it will help you in later homework problems.